I lived in Washington, D.C. for 21 years before I moved here recently to Michigan, and so I had numerous opportunities to go to the wall. It's a very interesting memorial, just physically, the way it looks and the size, but more importantly, there are over 58,000 names on the wall. I knew a lot of the people whose names ended up on the wall. I have 18 of my classmates from West Point are there. It's a way to physically, you can put your hand up on the wall where the names are and kind of physically connect and talk to those people. They're still there.
I've been to the wall 4 times. The first time I was there was just a couple of years after the memorial wall was dedicated. And I remember wanting to look for names of individuals that I served with in Vietnam. Now you need to know that I only spent 2 months in Vietnam. I was injured in a booby trap explosion, and because of my injuries I was sent back to the United States and then ultimately discharged from the service. So I only had 2 months in country, as they say, and I went to the wall, and as a service to people visiting the wall, there is a locator section, and you can go to this area and look in a large book and find names of individuals, and then there are indicators telling you where on the wall, which panel and which line of names. And so it's easier to locate the names on the wall because of this reference. I stood at that locator and I could not remember the names of the people that I served with one exception. And it was because, for the most part, we referred to each other by nicknames or by last names. In my case, my people called me Kime. It's a real short name, easy to say. And I remember trying to find names of people that I had served with, and I just was very frustrated with that. And it wasn't until the second and third time when I went back that I'd had a chance to recall some of the names, and I was able to find some of the names on the wall.
Okay, let's go.
One of the interesting things about the wall is that a lot of people go there and to connect with people that they knew, and they sometimes leave stuff there, letters, flowers, unit patches, and nearby is the Smithsonian Museum of American History, and in there they've actually have a section where they've collected a lot of these things, and you can actually see things that people have left at the wall. It's quite interesting how people try to remember or connect and the things they leave to do that.